Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make inventory adjustments in Zoho Inventory. This is essential for keeping your stock levels accurate, whether you're correcting discrepancies, accounting for damaged goods, or updating quantities after a physical count. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. This will take you directly to the Zoho Inventory login page. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to adjust inventory, as this feature typically requires admin or manager access. After logging in, look to the left sidebar and click on Items. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access the Items module. The Items section is where all your products and inventory are organized, making it the starting point for any stock adjustments you need to make. Now, from your item list, select the specific item you want to adjust. Simply click on the item name to open its detailed view. This is where you'll find all the information related to that particular product, including current stock levels and adjustment history. Next, locate and click on Adjust Stock in the top right corner of your screen. This button takes you directly to the stock management page for the selected item. Here's where the actual adjustment process begins, allowing you to modify quantities or values as needed. On the stock management page, you'll need to choose the type of adjustment you're making. Zoho Inventory allows you to adjust either quantity or value depending on what needs correcting. Select the appropriate option based on your specific situation. Now, enter the new available quantity or the adjusted quantity in the designated field. The system is smart enough to auto-calculate the other field, making the process smoother and reducing the chance of errors. This ensures your calculations remain accurate throughout the adjustment. If applicable, enter the purchase cost under the cost price field. This is particularly important when your inventory adjustments affect the overall value of your stock, not just the quantity. It helps maintain accurate financial records within your inventory system. From the Reason dropdown, select or add the reason for your inventory adjustment. Zoho provides common reasons like damaged goods, loss, or found items, but you can also create custom reasons. This creates an audit trail that's invaluable for tracking why adjustments were made. Optionally, you can add a description for the adjustment. While this step isn't mandatory, adding notes can provide additional context that might be helpful for future reference or when reviewing adjustment history. Finally, you have two options to complete the process. Click Save as Draft if you're not ready to finalize the adjustment immediately, or click Convert to Adjusted to complete and apply the stock adjustment right away. Your inventory levels will update accordingly, keeping your records accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.